Hey there, it's Kristina in Maker Exchange over at the Corona Public Library, bringing episode 21 of video editing. Today we're going to be focusing on iMovie, and we will be using the desktop. If you have a mobile device, an iPhone or an iPad, it will work almost the same, just a few differences. You do, however, have to have a Mac device in order to use iMovie. If you have a Mac computer, or if you have an iPhone, or if you have an iPad, you can go to the App Store and download it for free. So today we're going to be working on the trailers rather than doing a normal video. So a trailer is a great template to create a fast and quick and very professional looking trailer-like video. So go ahead and click on trailer. And here we have all of the templates. The templates are pretty much set, so you will want to choose one that actually suits your needs. First thing, you want to double check how many cast members do you have for your video. And it's either going to be a person or event or a thing. If you only have one thing or one person and you select cast members 2, then you are going to have these intros for something that is not there that you will have to first render and then edit out those sections. So it is advised to only use ones that actually suit your needs for that particular clip. So go ahead and go through and click on the play button to see the previews. If you are on an iPhone and possibly an iPad, you may not see the cast members or the number required until you actually watch the preview. And if you do not see cast members in the left bottom hand corner underneath the preview, then that will actually be the equivalent to any. So for this particular example, I'm going to be using family because I'm going to be taking this movie trailer and turning it into an event trailer. So go ahead and click the one you like, make sure that there's a blue border around it, and then click on create. So automatically it will open up all of the imported videos that you have. I have already imported the video footage that I'll be using, and we automatically have our outline. Here is where we can edit the information. So I'm just going to put virtual summer virtual events. Cast member. Now here you can see that we have the word meet above the name. We cannot change that here, but we can do that on the next screen. So here I'm going to do story time. Oh, you know what? I only need 2. So I'm going to reduce that one. And as you can see, I no longer can remove the cast members. I can only add. So here I'm going to do story time. And then the second cast member is going to be the second event, and that is going to be book club. The studio, I'm going to change to the Corona Public Library. And then all of the information for now, I'm just going to keep all of the same. Actually, I'm just going to change it to Maker Exchange. Maker Exchange. Oops. So you can have some fun with it, and you can do some fun names. I have seen that before, or you can just all keep it your name. It is a little bit more fun to see some different names throughout the credits. So once we fill all of this out, then we can go over to our storyboard. Here, there's going to be a gray screen that's going to give you an indication of what they want to see. And they're going to let you know exactly how long they're going to be using of that particular clip. That does not mean your clip has to be that long. That's just how long they're going to be showing that clip. So here they're showing landscape is what they're hoping for. And then they're hoping for the character. The character name I named is Storytime. So here we have the Corona Public Library, meet, and I'm going to change that to Sea Lion. So it's Sea Lion Storytime. Now I'm going to add in some of the footage. So I'm actually going to add the Corona Public Library. And then let's see how this looks. So it automatically does the Ken Burns effect. All right, good. And we have the sea lion. So let's see what it looks like with the video. And then let's add in the books for the book club. And I want to change end to Harry Potter. So it's Harry Potter Book Club. And really quick, I'm going to change it to, we're going to see Harry Potter Book Club, Sea Lion Story Time. And I'm just going to reiterate summertime virtual events. So let's just see, how does that look? Nice. Good. Okay. So I'm going to change this Ken Burns effect. So if you highlight so it's yellow on whatever clip you want to edit, if there's a, let's see, let's show you this one. If you click on these two arrows down on the bottom to adjust the portion of the clip, you're going to click on that and then you can alter. So I'm going to click on the photo. I'm going to go to the cropping. And so it's already pre-selected Ken Burns, but I'm actually going to change the end to go a little bit less. So that way the name stays in there. So let's see how that looks. Nice. I like it. Perfect. Hit the space bar to pause it. And then moving on, I'm going to finish off all of these other clips. So I'm going to be using the clips that I've received from Pixels, pixels.com, which is free. And we're going to use some of the footage to indicate all of the virtual events that we have and the fun and the activities that the kids can do. Okay, so now that we have all of those, let's go through and see how it looks. And there you have it. So it only takes a few minutes to actually make a trailer, and it looks really professional and well done as soon as it is done. Once you have it the way you want it, then you can actually just go up to the share button and you can render. You can either just put it directly online, or you can email it to yourself or export the file. So if you have any questions about trailers, if you find that the scenes are moving too fast, then when you are doing the the clippers or the trimmers, you can see where there's that orange bar. That lets you know the sections that have actually been used. So if you want to extend the particular clip, you can actually just do the clip on that part and then do the same clip on the next part. And then when you click on it, you can go ahead and just edit so that it carries on. And let me show you how that would look really quick. So if let's do something that had a lot of movement. So I have two of the same clip. I'm going to go to the buttons and I'm going to select that particular clip and you can see where the orange ends. I'm going to close it. And then for the continuation, I'm going to click on the arrows and here we can see the yellow or the orange. And then I'm just going to go right up to that and close. And then let's see how that looks. And it's flawless. So if you want to extend it, that's one way you can do it so that it's not so, doesn't move so fast. But if you like the way that the templates look, they are really easy. They look great and they're actually very popular. And you might even start noticing some of the YouTube videos you see or any of the independent films looking somewhat similar. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments. If you have a specific project you would like us to teach, let us know that too. And I will see you next time.